Welcome back. Bienvenidos. How do you say bienvenido in French?
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Today we're going to talk about how we lived in our van for a while with a 9-foot surfboard.
9 feet and 6 inches, actually, to be exact.
9 feet and a half.
Yeah.
Me, him, 9 foot and a half surfboard.
And this guy.
She's a lady.
True, I'm sorry. So we had a couple different positions for the board because something so large with us in it in such a small area, we had to move it a lot. We had a position for cooking, a position for driving, and a position for
Sleeping. The most important of all activities.
the most important of all activities.
And you couldn't really do both at the same time. So what?
We couldn't be doing different things.
Yeah, so if I was sleeping, he couldn't cook or do anything else really. If he was cooking, I would have limited space to work. If we needed to move around.
Ninja techniques. We would often cling to the ceiling and use our superpowers to make it to the driver's seat.
Or limbo.
Or limbo.
Limbo's my favorite.
Yeah, a lot of these positions going like, you know.
So finally, we decided it was time to get rid of Flo and put her on the roof.
For those who don't know, Flo is the name of our surfboard, just in case. Filler. So we put her on the roof.
Measure twice, drill once. You're drilling through fiberglass, so keep all your doors and windows closed and wear a face mask. We didn't do this. We're still trying to get fiberglass out of our van and our lungs. Don't over-tighten the bolts. They will break. And finally, read all the instructions that came with the setup before initiating install.
And we're free! Free as a bird to fly! Flying wonderfully.
Hey, what's that?
Are you excited?
What's that? What are you pointing
They're
at?
entertained.
Okay.
We're entertaining those people. Free like a bird. You went to that show later? Big Gun show.